Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to confirm, update ad settings to show mid-roll ads in all YouTube videos. So this is the new update starting in November 2023. YouTube will take a more hands-on approach with ad placements on your videos. Instead of allowing you to select the ads you want to show, such as pre-rolls, post-rolls, skippable or non-skippable, YouTube will make those decisions for you. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So dito lang sa ating YouTube channel, and then click mo lang tong profile. And then select mo lang tong YouTube Studio. And then dito sa ating dashboard mga kaibigan, dito lang sa right side, ay makikita ka ditong update ad settings. Ito siya. Okay? So i-click mo lang ito and then pop up ito mga kaibigan. Ito yung show mid-roll ads in all videos. Kung paano ba ito mag-work. So makikita mo dito yung update na will update your current videos so they show mid-roll ads. And then next, these ads appear in videos longer than 8 minutes. Right? And then next, you can choose your own ad breaks or let YouTube do it for you. And then click mo lang itong confirm mga kaibigan. Ayan. Alright, in the other settings naman na pwede nating puntahan. So, select mo lang itong settings dito lang sa left side. Click mo lang yung settings. And then dito sa settings, ay ka na mo lang i-click itong upload default. So, click mo lang yan. And then next, ay ka na mo lang select itong monetizations. Click mo lang ito. And then ito na siya. So, pwede kang select dito yung type of ads. Alright, so meron dito ang display ads, skippable video ads, non-skippables, and then yung mid-roll mga kaibigan. So, i-check mo lang itong box na to. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click tong save. Alright, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-confirm ng update ad settings para magkaroon tayo ng mid-roll ads sa lahat ng videos natin. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you at my next tutorial.